Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at Lucid. I wrote a new article on our website, Monument. There's a link in the description. Do go check out our website. So Lucid has started deliveries of the blacked out Stealth Air sedan to customers. This is a big deal. Lucid has been making a big wave about this EV. And now for the first time, this EV is actually on its way to customers. So this is actually quite fantastic. So before we get started, remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel to get updates on our new videos. Remember to subscribe to our newsletter. There's a link in the description. You can actually subscribe on the home page of our website, just with your email. That's how you stay up to date with our articles. That's a really good way for you to support this channel, so thank you for your support. And just remember to enjoy the video, of course. So let's get started. First deliveries of the Lucid Air with stealth appearance, an optional exterior design theme with a darker personality, were announced today by Lucid Group, which set new standards for a luxury electric experience with the Lucid Air, winner of the 2023 World Luxury Car Award. And I quote, we've actually got a quote from the SVP of Design and Brand, that is Derek Jenkins. And I quote, the highly anticipated stealth appearance will delight those who prefer a darker, more enigmatic look to Lucid Air. Side by side, stealth and platinum are like seeing two altogether different vehicles, two facets of Air personality. So the stealth appearance is available on Air Grand Touring and Air Touring as an option. For Air Touring with a metal roof, it costs $3,500, and that's additional add-ons, of course, while for all models with glass canopy roof, it costs $6,500. That's additional cost, of course. The Design Your Configurator allows customers to design their own Lucid Air metal roofs with stealth appearance. Now, pricing and details of stealth appearance may change at any time. Now, the Lucid Air has been completely reimagined and upgraded with stealth appearance option, offering up to 35 altered components on the exterior. This specialized dark finish was inspired by speculate black polishing process typically used in watchmaking and jewelry. The first thing to notice is the darkened frame around the glass canopy roof, but there is much more to discover, from black gloss and satin graphite accents around the body trim and headlights and taillights. This distinction adds a dramatic new look to an already impressive vehicle, and I must admit, it does look quite impressive. I actually posted a video on our blog of the Lucid Air Stealth Edition. Let's just check it out. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Yeah, this is just a little teaser video of the vehicle. Looks just like a Lucid Air, but aesthetically, exterior and interior, it's different. It is more blacked out, of course, so that is something to keep in mind. But that's how the vehicle looked. They want to go for a more stealthy approach, which I do understand. There is definitely a market for stealthy vehicles, that's for sure. For a lot of people, they just think that they look more awesome. And I tend to agree. You know, just seeing both cars side by side, same cars, different exterior design, it just looks fantastic. To be honest, it just looks absolutely fantastic. And you know, right now Lucid is actually making vehicles. Their top EV, the top EV is actually faster than any other Tesla Model S. So right now Lucid actually makes the fastest electric sedans in the world, I believe, which is kind of insane to imagine, because that's what they're aiming for, but I'm not sure if it's translating into sales all that much, which is a bigger issue, which is another issue that we will probably have to discuss another time. Now in my next video, I'd like to talk about the Lucid Motor Apple CarPlay integration, because there's been some problem with this lately. Users have been experiencing lags, slowness, and I've commented on this myself. I really like the look of Apple CarPlay. However, seeing the lags and the delay and the glitches, it doesn't look very promising. It looks like something that Lucid needs to fix, but I've also seen videos where it works completely fine. So some people have said it could be because of the low battery of the iPhone, could be because it's an old iPhone that's a bit slow. I said it could be because of connectivity with the iPhone. there could be many different reasons why this is happening. But it seems like a lot of people do have something to say about it. I certainly did, and people started attacking me. But the biggest YouTuber in the world, biggest tech YouTuber in the world, MKBHB, he even commented about this as well, that car software is so bad. And it does look bad, or at least it feels bad, but from the initial launch of Apple CarPlay and Lucid, it looks good. The infotainment system looks really nice. Now, before we close out this video, last thing that we need to do is to take a look at the Lucid stocks. Happy to say that today the stock price have actually been going up. So I'm recording this vehicle on the 26th of April. The year is going by really quickly, as we can all see. But the price of the share has been going back up just a little bit. Started this morning just less than $7. Now it's $7.33. So that's interesting that it's moving back up. So there might have been a moment there when there was a good opportunity to buy. But like I always said, these videos are not financial advice. They're just for education purposes and for entertainment, of course. But it is interesting to see the price just around $6.50, $6.30. That's very interesting. I'm not necessarily bullish on Lucid, to be honest. I like the company. I like what they do. I think they've got a great future if they continue to build great vehicles. But I think they need help in manufacturing and infrastructure. I think Lucid should ideally be owned by another company, another automaker that's got a lot of infrastructure. I think Lucid needs the support of another brand. Perhaps Mercedes should jump in and grab this EV brand because, well, the problem is it's a competitor to Mercedes. But there was also a time where Mercedes was actually considering buying BMW. So that's the main competitor to Mercedes. So if they were willing to consider that, I'm just saying Lucid is a good opportunity. But from Mercedes' perspective, they're selling more EVs than Lucid. So what's the point in buying Lucid? So that's the problem with Lucid right now. It's just it's in this weird limbo state. The cars are great. They're really fast, really luxurious. Are they long lasting? We don't know yet. It's definitely promising. They design lovely cars, but they need a lot of help. They need a much bigger parent company. Just like how Volvo creates Polestar. Lucid needs a parent company that can help them manufacture and build out their infrastructure. Seriously. But that is it for this video. It's good to see that the price is going back up, even just a little bit. But let's not forget, at the start of this year in January, it was above $12. And that was quite crazy to see because early January this year, it was $6, less than $6.20. So it doubled in the space of 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Around where it is right now, looks like it's going to stay around that place for a while. $7, $6, $5. That's a good place to be. But that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Remember to subscribe to our newsletter. Thank you for your support. Peace.